Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2023 Aerospace Meaning Paper. Question number 48 is the thickness of a uniform hollow circular shaft is equal to the difference between outer radius and the inner radius. The ratio of the inner diameter to the outer diameter of the shaft is 0.5. For the shaft reacting to an applied torque, the ratio of maximum shear stress tau to the maximum shear stress tau thin wall obtained using thin wall approximation is dash rounded off to 1 decimal. So here, according to normal theory or using torsion equation, we have C by J is equal to tau by R. Here J is pi by 32 D4 minus D4, and where D is your outer diameter and small d is inner diameter, and R is d by 2. So this leads to this tau. That is tau is equal to 16d t divided by pi bracket d4 minus d4. Okay. And it is given that the ratio of outer diameter to inner diameter is 2, so d by d2. So this, putting this in this equation, the tau becomes 32 dt small dt divided by pi 2d raised power 4 minus d4. So it will become 32t divided by pi 15 dt. So this is the shear stress according to normal stress theory, and according to thin wall theory, the torque is given by 2k, where k is tau into t, or tau is tau thin wall, and a is mean area. So mean area is pi by 4 dm square. So p is difference of radii or difference of diameter by 2. Okay. So and mean diameter is d plus d by 2. Okay. So putting this value, it comes out as tau thin wall comes out as 4t divided by 2 pi by 4 dm, that is d plus d by 2 whole square, and d by d by 2. It will become, if you put d is equal to capital D is equal to 2d, that is given. So it will be d by 2 and it will be 3d by 2. So tau thin wall will be here 4t into 18 into 8 divided by pi d cube into 18. So tau by tau thin wall is, so tau is this quantity 32t divided by pi into 15 d cube, and this is 18 pi d cube divided by 32. So 32t will cancel out, pi will cancel out, and pi d cube will also cancel out. So it will be 18 by 15 or 1.2 is the ratio of shear stress according to normal theory to the thin wall theory is your 1.2.